Nobody talks about how having a crush will literally turn you into a detective. Because one time I stalked this girl's social media because I liked her. So I wanted to learn everything about her, and I found her VSCO, and about 20 minutes into scrolling through it, I saw one of her posts that had a really niche song on it that not many people know. So after I found this, I posted a story with this song on it as if I actively listened to this band, and she swiped up on it and she was like, oh my gosh, you listen to this band too? I said, yes girl, this is my favorite band. It's a good thing she didn't pull the name 5 songs card out because I would have been cooked. But anyway, she was like, no way, I love that band too. I didn't think anyone else knew about them. And my response was, are you kidding? I thought I was the only one who listened to them. So we started talking a lot.